right, good morning. I am going to show you a quick game here. It's actually decently long, but there's a lot of repetition here, and it's really not nearly as long as it looks. So I'm just going to push through here. We might run into the announcements here this morning, so I might have to pause or restart and all that, but I'll try to make sure that I don't skip over anything at all. Okay, so the way this game works is I hit enter, I hit run, hit enter, and then I got this thing in here. I call this game Spider because it kind of looks like it's a spider on a web. And what you want to do is you want to get all 4 lines to not touch any of these obstacles. Okay, so if I hit enter, I move on, move up the level, and look, I'm already there, so that's good. And these obstacles get moved to a new location every time using rand range. Rand range might be my favorite function at the moment. Some of these can't be solved. All right, so that's why I have this. Are you stuck? Okay, to skip. Okay. So let's create this thing. The first thing we want to do, make the background black. So app.background equals black. Okay. Boom. I love it. Okay. Then I want to make a player. So player is just going to be a rectangle that starts right in the middle of the screen. And player is going to equal rectangle at 200, 200. It's got 25 on each side. Fill is going to be, let's make it lime green just to make it fill out. And then align is going to be center. Sweet. Excellent. What do I want to do next? What do I want to do next? Let's see here. Let's put our level and our skips up here. Skip is if you need to skip a level, it'll still count that. It'll count almost like count against you. I don't know. Maybe one day I'll have you have 5 total skips before game over. But right now I really don't care. So let's do labels and label. Let's do level. Put that in quotes. Level. And that's going to be at, let's make it over here. Whatever, I'll just guess. 325. And I'll bring it down 20. Size, I usually do 30, but let's bring it down a little bit. And a fill of white. What do we got? Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so we got that. And then level equals, this is the label that's actually going to change. 0, comma, bring it out, 363 maybe. 363, bring down 20, size equals 20, and fill equals white. Okay, sweet. And then let's do the skips over here. Skip. Oops, sorry. Label is skip. And that'll be at, I don't know, 50, whatever. 50, 20, size of 20, fill of, come on now, white. Excellent. And then we'll do skip equals, this is going to be the one that changes. Label of 0, comma, 80, let's do 87. 87, 20, size of 20, and fill of, you guessed it, white. Okay. All right. So these numbers will change. Level and skip will stay the same, but we aren't quite there yet. Cool. Now what I want to do is I want to have like these lines going from the corner into onto my square here, onto my player. And I'm going to call these bands, all right? You can call them whatever, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to have one top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So I'm going to start here at the top left. I'm going to call it TL for top left. And that's going to be a line at 0, 0. and then it's going. So it starts here. It's going to end here, and eventually this player's going to move. So it's going to be, oh my gosh, a player dot left, and then player dot top, and then we'll do a fill of, what do we do that? Lime green, lime green. So if I hit enter or run, see now I got that. Now just do a little copy and paste action here. And top left, then top right, then bottom left, then bottom right. And then all you got to do is change these numbers and then change like where it's actually attached to the square itself. So top right, this needs to be 400. Bottom left, that needs to be 400. No. Yeah, no. Shoot, what am I doing? I'm doing that backwards. Get away. Okay. My fault. It's early in the morning. Don't blame me. And then bottom right, both of them are 400s. And then, like I said, I got to change these. So this will be right. And bottom. And then when I have all those in, I'm going to hit run. There they are. And now what I want to do is I want to put these all in a group. I'm actually going to include my player as well. So I'm going to do bands equals group, and then TL, TR, BL, BR, and player. So player, TL, TR, BL, BR. I am doing that because I want it to be that if any of these things are hitting the obstacles I'm actually going to put in next, that you can't go on to the next level. Okay, so I'm going to have, if bands hits shape obstacle, which, like I said, I was going to do next, then things can't happen. All right, so anyway, obstacles. All right, so OBSTICLES, obstacles. Okay, so I'm going to make 5 obstacles. I'm going to call them O1, O2, O3, O4, and O5. Okay. So I'm going to make 2 circles, 2 rectangles, and a star. All right. So obstacle 1 equals circle. And I already have these written down, so I'm just going to copy them. But literally, you could put them anywhere. It doesn't really matter at all because they are eventually going to be randomly placed all over. So anyway, circle 40, 100, 7, fill of blue. I'm doing blue just so that it is different than the lime green. Another circle at 100, 341, 7, fill of blue. Oop, what am I doing? I already have that. Then do some rectangles. So that one's going to be a flat rectangle. Stop doing that. All right, rectangle again. This will be a tall rectangle. Where we at? 10 and 75. Fill equals blue. And then last I'll do a star just for, fun times. Star, this is going to be a 372. 55, 15, and 7. Fill, once again, blue. So I have them in. There are my obstacles. And now, just like the bands, I want to make the obstacles all into their own group. So obstacles equals group. O1, O2, O3, O4, and, of course, O5. Okay. Sweet. Things are looking good. All right. I don't want to do the start screen yet. Let's do player movement. Okay. player movement. So what I want to just hit, I only use W, A, S, and D. And when I hit W, it goes up and then just kind of goes up on its own until I hit the space bar to either stop it or change direction. Now this, I'm not going to lie, I kind of stole this from a unit, I believe 6 lesson. I forget which one it is, but it doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here, back up to my player. I'm going to do player.speed equals whatever speed I want it to always go. And this, I'm going to have it go 5 pixels per step. All right. And then player.direction X is going to originally equal 0, and player, come on, dot direction Y is going to equal 0. That means when I first start it up, it's not going to move anywhere. Okay. And then let's come back down here. And we're going to define player move. All right. Define player move and open up those parentheses and close them right away. And it's going to be player.center X is going to always equal or plus equal player.direction X, okay? And player.center Y is going to be plus equals player.direction Y. Okay, and then we got to get player speed as well. So player speed, so we'll do X speed and Y speed. That's going to be player.dx equals Y speed. Player.dx equals X speed, and player.dy equals Y speed. All right, things are looking good. All right. Now let's determine which keys we're going to press to make this thing actually move. Right? Yep. So define on key press key. Okay. So if the key is going to be W, it's going to go up, S down, A left, and D right. So if key is equal to W, then player speed is going to equal, now remember, player speed needs these two things here. If we're going up, our direction X is going to be 0 because it's not going left or right, and direction Y isn't going to be negative player speed, okay? So equals 0, comma, negative player speed. And just to prove that this works, what did I do here? All right, 47. What's wrong with 47? Oh, I didn't define player speed. Okay. All right, to prove this works, now I'm going to hit W. What am I doing wrong here? 53, player speed equal, oh, don't need the equal sign. All right, now what? What am I doing wrong here? I do not know. Whoa. Okay, if key is equal to W, player speed is 0, comma, negative player speed. Negative player dot speed. See, probably should change that up. But anyway, it's still not working. What is going on here? Oh, because I don't have an on step yet. Okay. Well, trust me, it'll work eventually, but not right now. But let me fill in the rest. You can, just hang out if you want. Oh, these should be LFs. And then I'm going to put in a space bar just to stop it from moving completely. Okay. So on key press, our player speed will be determined by that. Now we're going to do an on step to make it actually move. Okay. And to do that, we're just going to do on step, then player move. That's it. I'll have our player move, but it's not going to include our bands yet, but that's okay. So define on step and push this back. Just player, right? Just player move and open, close. All right. See, now we can have it move around. Put space to make it stop. All right, now we just got to make the bands move with. So this is kind of tedious in here, but that's okay. TL.x2 is going to equal player.left. And then TL.y2 is going to equal player.top. Okay, so now that follows. And now I just got to do a little copy paste action to get the rest in there as well. So. And now it all moves together. All right, that's kind of a cool look, and I like that. All right, now what we're gonna do, if bands hit the shape of obstacles, we're gonna change the color of everything. Okay, so we're gonna do that on step. If bands dot hits shape obstacles. Bands dot fill are going to be red. Okay, and else bands dot fill are going to be that lime green. All right, so the red is like, no, you're not good enough, and then green. Oh, good, we can do something. Let's see, what else do I want? No, I don't need to do that. Oh yeah, I want to make it so I can't, leave the screen here. So if now this is going to be a little tedious here, but just kind of roll with me. Player dot left is less than or equal to 0. Oh, I got to do a lot of parentheses in here. Or player dot top is less than or equal to 0. Or player dot right is greater than or equal to 400, or if player dot bottom is greater than or equal to 400, then so if it hits the edge, we're just going to have it reset to the center and have it not move. Player dot center x equals 200, player dot center y equals 200, and player speed is 0, 0. Okay, so if I run this, gotta close this up. If I run this, come on now. Oh, I have a comma here. Oh, yeah, comma. Okay, now if I hit the wall, it just resets myself right back to 0. Okay. All right. Now let's have if where's this at? Okay, so we're gonna have if the bands are lime green and key is enter, then we're going to have everything be in a random location, and level is going to increase by 1. Okay? So if bands.fill is equal to lime green and key is equal to enter, level.value plus equals 1. And then we're going to do a rand range on all of our obstacles. So o1.center x equals rand range between 25 and 375. And we're just going to copy and paste that 1.5 billion times. No, let's do it from here. Actually, let's do this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's make sure it works. Hit enter. Level goes up, and my guys go other directions. So that is the basic. I didn't put in the skip. To put in skip, I was going to put, you know what? Might as well do the same exact thing here. So I'll do if key is equal to, let's do K. I can't do S because S is already used for direction. We're going to do, what is that? Skip.value plus equals 1. And I'll do level.value plus equals 1 as well. And then I'm going to put all this stuff in. Okay, so it'll kick you up a level, but you'll have that that skip there that's staring you in the face. So K, see, levels go up and the skips go up, but ooh, this one's an impossible one, I do believe. So I do have to skip that one. So it's a decently fun game, and that's about it. Sorry, I wasn't super smooth. I'm thinking while typing, and doesn't always come out super smooth. So there you go. There's a quick game. I call it Spider. You call it whatever you want, and that's that. So thanks for listening to me ramble. Have a great